Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 5 of Integrated Design. This week we're going to work with editing content in InDesign, and we're going to master creating and editing frames with our bounding boxes, rotating, flipping, and locking and hiding content as well, aligning and grouping content, sort of the essential functions to getting us to develop like good practices and workflows in InDesign. Understanding how those bounding box works with the images we're using, text versus image. So I hope you're starting to feel more comfortable in the platform and establishing sort of a comfortable way of working. That's really where we should be now in the software. And wrapping up your Project 1 full page ad is really where it's at this week after you complete your exercises. So of course, read your instructions to make sure that you understand what's happening. The details are in there. And then once you're done with the instructions, take a look at the files, download the files for the unit exercise, and then take a look at the video that will help guide you through those files as you've been so successful in doing in the previous weeks in this course thus far. Once you're done with those unit files, there are several this week. Make sure that you submit them to the Unit 5 exercise submission link. Following that, I would take a good hard look at this video, package and submit. This will walk you through how to package and submit your Project 1, the full page ad. You must package and submit it. This gives you detailed instructions on how to do that. That's a video that I created for you at my YouTube channel. And then once you're done with that ad, you will post it to the Project 1 final submission. Just a little friendly reminder, people in the forums, I do want to be sure that everybody is being constructive. And instead of just saying, oh, that looks wonderful, that looks great, be sure that you're supporting each other with some feedback. And while many times this might feel like they may be trying to attack you or being personal, make sure that you try to begin to separate yourself from that and understand that it's trying to be helpful. And also a reminder to use your words wisely and be sure that we're being respectful at all times within the forums so that people understand that you're coming from a place of kindness and help as opposed to being attacking. So just a friendly reminder to both sides, whatever side you might lean towards within the forum when you're posting your work. I want to make that little helpful reminder. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck completing your Project 1 this term, or I'm sorry, this unit, and we will move forward with Project 2 in next week's virtual video. I will see you then.